Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's review is going to be on this Luvme hair unit. I am bringing to you a new curly texture. I'm excited. This one is called a Bohemian Chic Flowy Curly, and this is the 5x5 lace closure. It is so quick and easy to install because the knots are bleached. The lace is HD, so you don't see absolutely anything. It literally looks like scalp. All you have to do is cut the lace. I did wash my unit as I do all of my units when I first received them, and I definitely wanted to wash this one because I wanted to see what the true curl pattern was. Now that I washed and conditioned it, it actually has more of a curl pattern, is way more defined. So I'm happy that I did wash it. So in this video, I'm going to be installing this unit as well as telling you my first thoughts in it. But before that, let's get straight into the unboxing. Today's unit is from Luvme Hair, and this is the box it came in. It's pretty purple box with a flower in the front, and inside these are the contents. The first thing was a nude wig cap. Then I had a bag full of goodies. Inside of that was an edge brush, cheetah print melting band, silicone wig gripper, and then of course the unit itself, which is the Boho Chic Bohemian Curly, so gorgeous 5x5 closure wig. And as you can see, the knots are bleached. It does come with the middle part, and it is in 24 inches. So I'm definitely going to be washing this unit just to see if it still has this type of pattern, and I will be back once it is dry to show you how I applied it to my head. Okay, so the hair is washed. This is the curl pattern. As you can see, it is even better than it was out of the box. Okay, I did put the adjustable straps on, and now I'm just applying it to my head. I'm going to part out my baby hair because I don't like the way the hair is sitting, so I do want to have a little bit of baby hair. So I parted it out. Now I'm going to curl it using my little flat iron, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of edge control, and then we are going to style them using that same brush. Okay, and I am going to basically use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued spray to just set that in place because it makes it a little bit more hard. And I'm just hot combing the top to make it flat. We're going to repeat the same exact step on the other side because I want the same exact look on both sides. And I'm not going crazy with the baby hair. Again, it is only a 5x5 closure, so it's not the whole entire front that I have to style. I love 5x5 closure wigs because they are less maintenance. They're so easy to just put on your head and go. So after I repeated the same exact steps, now I'm going to go in further and just hot comb the top flat to my head. And I did add a little bit of that spray again to the front. Now I'm adding my powder to the lace in my middle part just to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm kind of like, you know, just spreading that apart, and that is basically it. I finger combed a little bit, but that is it for this tutorial, and this was my finished look. So pretty. This curl pattern is just so different. I love it. It's definitely giving me that bohemian feel, so I think they did a great job with the name matching the texture. Okay, so I'm back and this is my finished look. I basically just laid it down flat at the top. I added just a little bit of baby hair, and I kind of finger combed the hair. The thing that I love about this pattern is that it does not look crazy when you finger comb it. This is a carefree curl. This is definitely a carefree curl, and it's giving me like, it's definitely giving me that bohemian vibe, whereas I want to add like jewelry to my hair, something like I want to put like a braid on the side and add like a little bit of jewelry. I gotta get me some jewelry for braids because I want to switch these units up. I absolutely love this pattern. Before we get into my thoughts, let me backtrack. This wig is from Luvme Hair, and this is their Bohemian Chic Flowy Curly, and this is the 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this unit is in 24 inches. So let me show you how long it is. So in the front, it comes below my boobs, like to the middle of my tummy, and in the back it comes to the middle of my butt. This hair is just so like lightweight. This is definitely a summer hair. Like, this is definitely summer hair, and the more I look at it, like, I just want this in like 30-34 inches. I think this unit would be so fire in like 30 to 34 inches, and it's not too much hair. This is like 100%, 150% density, and it's like the perfect amount of hair. It's not too much, and it's just the right amount. So yeah, I think this is a go. Like, this is definitely the summer curly hair to get if you want that low, really low maintenance unit. You will not have to wash this unit every single day. Right now I'm not dealing with any tangling or shedding, snagging, matting, any of the above. But I will definitely give y'all updates in the comments. You literally don't have to really do much. It is low maintenance, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It gets my 2 thumbs up, okay? It gets my approval. I'm definitely put my approval stamp on this unit because I am in love, okay? Luvme Hair has literally the best units, in my opinion, like that I've come across. They usually have the best units. They do not disappoint, so I would definitely recommend them. I'm gonna have the links to this unit as well as Luvme Hair for you to check them out, and if you want to get this unit, the direct link will be down in the bottom bar for you. As soon as I saw this hair, I just was so inspired by the pattern. It is just something I don't see often, so I was just like, yeah, I have to have it. But yeah, I'm gonna have the links to this hair and everything down in the bottom bar for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.